Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to start the review of a new Linux distribution. It is known by the name Elegance OS, or you can say Elegance Linux. It is based on Manjaro Linux. This is the web page of Elegance OS or Elegance Linux, whatever you can call. And it is a complete very big system, almost 7.9 GB in size. The ISO is 7.9 GB in size. It contains lot of tools, utilities, accessories, applications, and it is focused towards a number of different categories of users. Which category of users, that we will see later on when we check out the website. So Elegance Linux is a solution for office, multimedia and gaming use. The system is based on Manjaro, a Linux distribution that aims to be stable with the latest software and no need to upgrade to the latest version. Updates are continuous from a package manager and the installation only takes place once. Manjaro provides the following as standard: the core, the Cinnamon office environment, the package manager and the basic software for all the computer uses. So you can see this is a Cinnamon desktop that is being used by the Elegance OS or Elegance Linux, and it is based on the Manjaro Cinnamon desktop. It comes with ready to use office automation software like LibreOffice Calibre for digitized books, and a dictionary also is included, and the complete office suite that is LibreOffice is included. For entertainment, it contains VLC, Rhythmbox and Kodi. Kodi is your multimedia server. For graphic design, GIMP and Krita have been included in this Linux distribution. So you can explore the creativity to the fullest. For games, Steam is present. You can create your account, and if you already have an account, you can log into your account. You can download the games of your choice and play. It is game ready Linux distribution. For composition and assembly, Ardor, LMS and Kdenlive are there. So this is for the audio professionals. You can use this Linux distribution for professional level audio recording. Then for design people, if you are a designer, you can use LeoCAD, FreeCAD and KiCad for your modeling needs. And there are some other softwares for the general users. Those are also included. And there are some links for the artist, high fidelity music resources. So let us try this out. What exactly it is there? High fidelity music resources. Okay. So this we will check it out. Some website is this. I am not able to completely understand French. I can understand a bit, but not completely. So it is some kind of music resource, but what kind of resource that we'll have to check out. Okay, it has got a collection of videos. We can translate this. Let us see. Okay, translate. That will be better. Let us see the translation. It will take some time. Okay, so this is the resource platform of the high fidelity poll. So there are some advice sheets for advising how to use the different digital resources. Video library is there, practical sheets, culture. What exactly, it's very difficult to say what is it. We will have to check this video library. Let me see the video library. Technique, programmer. Okay, so this website gives advice for music production, for video production, audio production. So you can watch this out. This is music-hdf.org videos. So this gives different tutorials and you can say creator experiences are being shared, where you will learn more about video creation, professional level video creation. And you can check out the different audio video projects and learn from them. So that's it. I will go back now. Now coming at the top, I will again change it to English. Okay. In the downloads and installation section, you can see two mirrors are there, and there is also Mac Intel hardware compatibility is also there. So you can install this on your Mac system, Apple system. Minimum configuration requirement to use this Linux distribution is 64-bit system, minimum 4 GB of RAM, dual core 2 GHz processor, 256 of graphics, 256 MB of graphics memory, and 25 GB of free space on the hard drive. I think 25 will be little less. You should go with 50 GB at least, because this is 7.9 GB of raw ISO image. So once it is unzipped, or we can say unpacked, it will become at least maybe 13-14 GB of system only. So you will require at least 20-30 GB free. So total you should have at least 50 GB of root partition to make everything work. So I normally keep everything in one partition, that is root partition. I don't use different separate directories like home directory. I don't keep separate. I kept everything in one only on the root partition, and I just copy all the important files from my home directory. I will copy it to the hard disk, which I kept separately. I connect it with USB and then copy it to the separate hard disk. Okay, so the installation is shown, how to do the installation, so that we are not going to check out. In the news section, let us check out the news section. And meanwhile, we can check the Elegance only. Elegance web page. Working very slowly. So this is already we have checked. Nothing else is there. Okay. So here you can see the different versions of Elegance Linux that have been released till date. So current release is Elegance for Leonora with style. The earlier release was Elegance 3.3. It was new, and it was named New and Heritage. You can see this is how it looked earlier. And before that, Elegance 3.2 Julie was there. So this is how the Julie looked. And before that, Elegance 3 Fluorine was there. It was all inclusive. And before that, in the year 2024 December 30, the Elegance 2.8 Fiona was released. Before that, it was 2.7 Leon version, drawing and design version. So different versions of Elegance have been released. So we do get a lot of releases in a year. So I think 3-4 releases every year. So every quarter or once in every 2 quarters you will get one release of Elegance OS. So your system will continue to get updated as the Manjaro will receive the updates. You will also receive the updates downstream in Elegance OS. So that's great. You can check out the change in the desktop design, how the desktop looks earlier, how which applications were there in the desktop, Elegance OS desktop. It was Cinnamon desktop since the beginning, I think. No, I think this in the Elegance 2.7, this looks like XFC desktop, I think. Maybe it is XFC desktop, I don't know. But from 2.8 Fiona onwards, it is definitely it is Cinnamon desktop only. Only this desktop, it looks more like XFC because of this icon I am seeing here for the home folder. Possibly, no, it is cinnamon only. Here it is given, it is cinnamon only. I was puzzled by this icon, file manager icon. So it is cinnamon only. So I think it start only from start of this Linux distribution, it is using cinnamon desktop. Okay, so I think this much history is good enough to start with. And that's it for this Linux distribution. In the next video, we are going to do the actual installation of Elegance Linux on a virtual machine, and after that we will do a detailed review of the cinnamon desktop of Elegance OS, and there we will check out all the different applications, utilities and features of Elegance OS. And then in the fourth and the final video, we are going to check out the low latency settings of Elegance OS. So see you then. Bye bye.